And a good Thursday morning to you, weather not meteorologist Evan Hatter with a check of your forecast this morning, brought to you as always by On Target. Things are cloudy as we work through the morning hours this morning, watching our latest disturbance trying to push through the region. You notice the cloud cover on the satellite imagery. It's not completely overcast, but some breaks in the clouds there. But it is overall a rather cloudy look, and even some showers trying to work on through the region. Parts of Edmonson County this morning getting in on some light showers, at least trying to, depending on just how moist that atmosphere is. Northern parts of Butler County this morning, even down into portions of Barron County. Last 50 frames or so of motion on the radar, showing some of those showers sneaking in from the north and west. They'll be with us as we head through the daytime hours today. You notice it's not particularly intense rain, at least until you head up toward places like Ohio County and McLean County this morning. We'll be watching some of these showers as they continue to push through. They've brought things on the milder side this morning. You notice temperatures in the 40s and everywhere, lower 40s. We're at 43 in Morgantown, 43 in Bowling Green, at least at the WKU farm, 44 on the north side of town, 45 on the Warren-Barron County line, same thing in Franklin. We're back into the mid-40s, 46 into Scottsville this morning and 47 into Russellville. Watching one of those weak disturbances push through this morning, high pressure scooting off to the east. That will be not only kicking our northwest flow on to the north and east, but it'll also be introducing southerly flow ahead of our next big weather maker that looks to work in as we head toward the weekend. So, temperatures today, starting off on the cooler side, we'll try to bring things back to the 70s or so. It all depends on where those showers set up. I think the bulk of the shower activity could scoot off into central Kentucky through the day, and we may end up with a drier day than expected. But scattered showers will remain a possibility as we head through the daytime hours today. Notice clouds overnight keep us mild, if not rising a little bit overnight into the 50s, and then we really bring the warmth back as we head into tomorrow with our next system starting to push in. It's kind of the first effective warm front of that system pushing through as early as our Friday, and you notice those temperatures upper 70s to pushing 80 throughout the region, and yes, the potential for a few showers or a rumble of thunder. And you notice as we head towards midnight on Saturday morning, 1 o'clock, 60s out there, a much milder air mass on the way in. Looking at that potential for showers, again, not handling this great. It's got it in the region. Some of those showers continue to push off to the north and east through the day, at least the corridor of the main shower activity. So I think we're not looking at an all-day rain or anything like that, but something to watch. More showers and maybe some rumbles of thunder trying to work into central Kentucky during the overnight hours into early parts of our Saturday. But for the early parts of our Friday, I should say. But most of us do stay dry. Again, I can't rule out a shower or a storm on Friday. Severe weather not expected. So I think we're looking dry once we get some of these showers out of here. Mostly dry today, perhaps a shower or storm tomorrow. As we head towards Saturday, I think we cloud up again. We're watching this southern stream wave. You see that across portions of the Arklatex into West Tennessee. That will introduce shower chances, mostly just showers, as we head into our day on Saturday. And the progression of this wave becomes key when it comes to how unstable we get for severe weather, potentially, as we head into the day. On Sunday, notice we have those showers pushing through during the late day hours, really the early hours of Sunday, and kind of sticking with us as we head through parts of the day on Sunday. That would start to prevent the not the return of moisture. We'll have plenty of that, but some of the heating during the day that would end up giving storms at night less fuel to work with. But either way, we're watching this low pressure gets up toward the Chicagoland area. Storms fire to the west, quickly looking like they might congeal into a line. And you see this particular run of the Euro says, well, multiple lines will be possible as this works through. And then the European is doing something I haven't seen so far, is it kind of makes that line a little less solid as we work. This would be 4 o'clock Monday morning, pushing that line through the region. Now, you'll notice that is usually our minimum in terms of peak heating, but I do think we'll have the wind energy of the low pressure as well as at least some of that fuel there to provide us with a chance for some strong to severe storms, looking increasingly like this could be a later night issue on Sunday. That's not set in stone yet, but it's looking increasingly like this could be perhaps a later night deal on Sunday, which would be, in terms of storm intensity, better than if it were arriving at, let's say, 4 in the afternoon or 7 at night. You'd rather those storms at least try to weaken, even though we need to keep an eye on nocturnal threats, usually this time of year, as those can be more intense. Not more intense, but they can catch you more off guard if you've already gone to bed. So that's something we're going to watch into the day on Sunday, but I don't think that's our only threat for showers and storms. We dry out on Monday, we dry out on Tuesday, high pressure in place, but another low starts to get going. The European has been hitting at this for a while, that we see the development of more showers and storms with another strong low pressure to the west on Wednesday into Thursday. That could lead to more showers and storms pushing into the region. This particular run of the Euro says closer to Thursday morning. It's got another trailing disturbance behind it. The European is messy when it comes to these multiple chances for showers and storms, but either way, I would circle Sunday on your calendar for the potential for strong storms, and then again Wednesday, perhaps Wednesday night into Thursday. And you see, the Euro doesn't want to leave us alone. The Euro wants to keep us rather busy as we head through the next few days. But the one in front of us, a level 2, slight risk for severe weather. We've been outlooked for this since Monday, and that looks to be a steady look to the Outlook map. We'll see if they continue to refine this as we head into the next couple of days, but it's looking like, especially if we can keep that a linear mode, we're looking at the potential for some strong gusty winds, some heavy rain, large hail, smaller threat for a few isolated tornadoes. We'll continue to keep an eye on that as we work through the next few days. Again, huge area under this level 2 slight risk, from Cleveland to areas in central Texas, from Kansas City all the way over toward near the Atlanta metro. So a huge area still kind of on the map for the threat for severe weather as we head into the day on Sunday. I think, again, this will continue to be refined, parts of it upgraded potentially as we head through the region. I think that would be a better chance to our west, but we still have a couple of days to look at the data. Next 6-day weather forecast getting us through the weekend and into early next week. Mostly cloudy with some of those showers around early today. I think we try to end up in the 70s, near 80 for our Friday. Mostly cloudy, perhaps a few showers, but I don't think it's going to be a washout or anything. Same thing on Saturday. I think much of the day may wind up on the drier side, and we push those showers to Saturday night. We're warmer on Saturday if we can happen to get some more of that dry time. How about upper 70s to near 80, low 60s Saturday night? Watching Sunday again, warming up to near 80, depending on how fast some of those showers move out early in the day on Sunday, with that best chance for strong to severe storms, it looks like Sunday night into very early Monday morning. We briefly dry out and cool down, 62 Monday and Tuesday, mostly cloudy on Monday night with some of those showers trying to work back in by Tuesday. We'll continue to keep an eye on the potential for more strong storms as we head towards the middle of next week. 'Tis the season, right? A very active pattern continues to work in as we push toward the month of April. That should just about do it for me this morning. Weather or not, meteorologist Evan Hatter with a check of your forecast, brought to you as always by On Target. Let's make it a great day out there, everybody.